everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some fried fish with some sweet mashed potatoes and rice. So first we're going to work on the fish. Let's get started. So first we are going to prep our fish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these in half so that I can start seasoning. Okay, once I cut up all my fish, I'm going to start seasoning. So the first thing I have is, this is 2 teaspoonfuls of paprika. This is about a teaspoon of salt. I have 2 teaspoons of pepper. I may not use all of it. Might use half a teaspoon. And then I have some sazon. I'm going to put 2 packets in. And don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, guys, to get this done. I don't know, I find it that the best way of mixing stuff is with your hands. And I have a little cayenne pepper. To me, this is like really spicy, so I'm not going to put a lot. This is about half of a teaspoon. Alright, so then we're going to mix. And I like for them to get a nice orangey color, and that comes from the sazon Goya, which has achote, and that's what gives the fish, or the seasoning I should say, color. So it looks like all my fish is now evenly distributed. You want to make sure that all your pieces are seasoned evenly. It's not the most glamorous way of doing it, but I think it works. And after we finish seasoning this, we're going to go ahead and leave it there for a few minutes while it marinates in it. And then we're going to start on our sweet mashed potato. Alright, so it looks like we're done here, and we'll get started on the sweet potatoes. Alright, now we're going to prepare our sweet mashed potatoes. So first I'm going to start blending them before I put any of our ingredients on there, and I'll go over the ingredients as I pour them in. Now you guys can do this by hand if it's easier. I'm just choosing to do it this way because it's a little faster. Now we're going to add a couple more potatoes. And hopefully we'll have a really nice consistency. Alright, so now we're going to start putting all the ingredients in. We're going to put 1/3 cup of butter, one-fourth cup of almond milk, I got 2 tablespoons of sugar, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of it. Let's see. I'm going to use one teaspoonful. Then this is cinnamon, and this is 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And I have 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Alright, so we are going to blend. So this is now blended. Let me see if it needs anything else. You know what? I think I am going to use the rest of my sugar. And this is 2 tablespoons of sugar that I used in here. And I'm going to blend. And try one more time. Perfect. So now the only thing left to do is I'm gonna garnish this with some walnuts. So I'm gonna put these are candied walnuts. So I'm gonna put these on top so that when I serve, everybody will have a serving of some of the walnuts. And I'm just gonna put a few in here right now, but then once I serve it, I'll put a few more on top. So now let's get started onto our fish. Put some oil in here. About a cup of oil. And we are going to let them cook. My rice is already ready. Sweet potatoes are ready. And it's quick. It's not like you have to be cooking for hours on end. That's what I like about making this fish. And I like these tongs usually because it's a lot easier to turn them over. The smell though is really good, guys. If you just smell all these ingredients together with this fish. And this is tilapia, by the way, in case I didn't mention it. Alright, so we're going to let this fry for a bit and I'll be right back. My tilapia is finally ready. Blasting like this. And it is ready to be served. Keep watching. So this is the final dish, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed making it. I love this meal. I know you guys are totally going to love it if you try it at home. This is tilapia with sweet mashed potato and sweet walnuts with rice and lime on the side. So let me know in the comments below if you end up trying this recipe and let me know if you like it. Don't forget, as always, to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.